How to connect GoDaddy domain to Squarespace. So I've just logged into my Squarespace account. We want to click on our name here and then go to account dashboard. Now from here we will find the website for which we want to connect a domain. Click on the three dots and then select settings. Now from the settings here we want to select domains and email and then click on domains, the first option. Then select use a domain I own. Now here we will type out our GoDaddy domain name. If you don't know what it is, log into your GoDaddy account, click on your name, go to my products, and here you will see a domain section and this is your domain name. So I'll just copy this and I'll paste it here in Squarespace. Click on the arrow and it should verify. Just give it some time to verify. And you will be given this option, connect domain, connect the domain to your Squarespace website and continue to manage it separately. Click on this. It's going to automatically detect the GoDaddy provider and select connect domain. Now this is going to show like this. Put your domain to work, click connect to enable the service hosting from Squarespace for nethelp.shop. If we select connect, then it should do it. Okay, so we got a success screen here. So connection in progress, nethelp.shop is connecting to your site. Continue. And it's going to look like this. Connection in progress. It may take up to 72 hours to finish the connection progress. So it's going to look like this. We can view the DNS settings here. So basically, after we have done this here, after we have done this, we will just need to wait. And as you can see, this went from red to green if you refresh the records here. And it's just basically going to confirm the connection. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.